My homie about to show me how to fly a drone, and you know, once I touch something, I'm about to go get one. So here, record it, son.
Tell me if that good.
Oh, don't drop it.
I can't see the phone.
Okay.
Because it got to calibrate to this GPS location.
All right, there you go.
You can hold it. I can fly it out of your hand. Watch it. All you think you gotta do is hold
You
it.
trying to chop? You trying to chop me?
No, it ain't gonna chop you up.
Wait, no, yeah, people be doing that on YouTube.
Oh, okay, so up and down. Turn around. You can adjust it down there. Oh, you right here? Yeah. Oh, that's dope as shit.
Record up here if you're gonna start recording. Fly right across the water.
Hey, send some, how far?
Let me turn turbo. You said what?
How far it go?
No, I go far.
Just some footage over here, and I want you to send this to me. There's some sports right here.
Oh, they look cool. You want to record?
Yeah.
Now we're recording. Where is it? Right there. Somewhere there. You see the other two? That's dope.
Where'd it go?
You see it way up there?
Dang, that thing could go high.
Oh, man, I'm going to get one of these.
Dad, you should get 3.
Get 3 of them?
Yeah.
When?
For all of us.
But
when? Maybe later.
Look, you see all over there? All around the community. Let me see that much. Alright, so bring it down.
I can bear.
You on his power line? Yeah, or a tree. What's up? What's the vibrate? It's probably just tell you strong wind. It'll tell you everything up in the corner. I lose that motherfucker when I ain't driving. I see it now.
How you turn it around?
I see it right here. Yeah, but you gotta look at that camera and see what way you facing. Cause you got it so far out, you don't know what way you facing right now, right?
Yeah, the camera.
Yeah, so the camera's facing towards, so now if you press up, it should come to the left. When you sit there, see us, if you face the camera, man, look at us. This one,
That mug is drifting.
yeah, the wind is probably blowing.
And there, here we go, right there. Strong wind warning. All right, I'm about to come down. Right there.
He's right over there. Why is it going farther?
So forward to get this way, right? No, that's going up. That's going up.
Yeah, this is up and down.
Yeah, how you go? This go
Yeah.
forward. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to get over here.
Bro, that thing is so small, it looks like a bird.
Huh?
That thing looks like a bird.
Get some later.
I think the wind is making it hard coming down.
Slide this way. Stay above our power line.
Yeah.
Come in right here.
I think you're going sideways. Yeah, you're going sideways. You gotta turn it straight.
Dang.
See? Oh, that's all right. Where are we looking
You can hear it.
There we go.
Yeah, now press up.
Up. Yeah, right here on this side.
Fly it towards us. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hi, grown.
Yeah, it's weird, ain't it? It takes some getting used to. You gotta fly this way some more. You can come down now.
Right in the middle of the street.
And then fly this way.
I see it too. What's up?
Yeah, I talked about that motherfucker dope.
Heck,
Like,
it
you can
is.
do all types of shit with that thing, bro.
Buy 3.
Buy three.
About 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, for us.
So when y'all want to go 4-wheeler riding?
I don't know. Maybe when
How
I
long do this thing stay charged?
Depends on. If I stay in sport mode, about 2 to 3 hours. If I go to basic mode, it's like it runs slow then. I don't like it when it runs slow.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start a basic mode.
Because right now you're in sports mode, so this is the mode right here. It's that thing. Slow.
Hi. Why on your phone it looks like it's far, but it's actually close.
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all. I'm trying. Get
He
this
told
thing-
you.
let's get this thing down.
All right, slide over here.
Look at the drone.
Hold down. Keep holding.
That was cool.
Here you go.
Sorry, you.
That is cool. Hey y'all, man, I'm going to get me one
3.
for sure.
3 actually.
Straight up.
You gonna get one now?
Actually,
yeah,
3.
Oh,
Make
that's
sure-
fun.
Hey, send me that footage right now to my
I
phone.
got you.
Daddy, actually buy 3.
Actually, buy 3.
Man, you always come over here and make me spend some money on
Oh,
something,
don't
man.
lie to me. Don't lie
I always coming with something new,
Listen.
man.
I started this YouTube stuff because you was like, let's do it.
All right. And you got yeah, hey, tell me Dewan, tell me your YouTube page.
TZ4K.
Go subscribe for sure. And what are you showing on your page?
Oh man, some of everything, man.
Daddy.
Street violence that's happening out here, police brutality, videos, whatever.
Daddy.
All right, cool.
You should
for
buy
sure.
3 because I'm going to have a YouTube channel too, even first thing. You should buy 3.
Buy
Okay. All right.
3. Okay.
I'm just gonna be spending all them $1,000.
Well, at least you have a credit card.
get out my pockets.
Kids are too smart for nowadays, boy.
And get out of my pockets. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
Kids are
Now I want to drill. Now I'll just go keep on begging my parents for it.
Yep. I'm for sure getting one of these.
Like today? Tomorrow. Today. Let's do it today. Let's do it today.
Probably in a couple of weeks. I ain't in no rush. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get it. Okay.
I'm low on subscribers. I'm trying to get high. I only have 10 subscribers.
Princeton, what you gotta say about that? What's your brother say?
I don't care.
You can come get my drone when you want it. How about that?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Bet.
There you go.